What's something people don't know about Murphy beds? Come shop at Murphy Nook. If you're tired of cramped spaces but still love chic design, then it's time to discover Murphy beds. Living in a small home or apartment, we've got the perfect solution for you. Murphy beds. These space-saving wonders fold up into the wall when not in use, giving you extra room to live, work, and play. Imagine turning your bedroom into a spacious home office in seconds. Murphy beds come in a variety of styles and finishes to match any decor. Whether you prefer modern, rustic, or classic, there's a Murphy bed that's perfect for you. And installation? Easier than you think. Most models are designed for DIY installation, but you can always call in a pro for a seamless setup. But wait, there's more. Murphy beds aren't just practical, they're also super comfy. With high-quality mattresses, you won't miss your regular bed at all. Plus, many models come with built-in storage for extra pillows, blankets, and more. So why wait? Transform your home today with a stylish, space-saving Murphy bed. Your future self will thank you. Follow for more home improvement tips and tricks. See you next time.